Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Colts Gifts is probably one of the most thoughtful ways to show appreciation for the special women in your life, especially if they're passionate about the Indianapolis Colts. Finding the perfect gift can be a delightful journey, whether you're celebrating a birthday, a holiday, or just want to surprise them with something unique that reflects their team's spirit and personal style. From cozy apparel to collectible memorabilia, the options are vast and cater to every fan's taste, ensuring you'll find something that will make them feel cherished and celebrated. Number 5. CRANACH 6-in-1 Multitool Pen. Introducing the CRANACH 6-in-1 Multitool Pen, the perfect blend of innovation and practicality. This versatile tool combines 6 essential functions into one sleek design, making it ideal for everyday tasks and DIY projects. It's not just a pen, it's a level, a stylus, and so much more. This innovative gadget is designed to simplify your life, whether you're working on home improvement, electrical tasks, or simply need a reliable writing instrument. Experience precision with its omnidirectional stylus tip for accurate screen interactions and a built-in level for perfect alignment. Crafted from heavy-duty aluminum, it's built to last through countless tough projects. Always be prepared with its dual-ended screwdriver, featuring both Phillips and flathead bits. Its compact size and pen clip make it easy to carry, ensuring you have the tools you need, anytime, anywhere. Surprise the men and women in your life with this unique and practical gift. It comes in a stylish box, making it an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Give the gift of convenience and functionality. We believe in quality and commitment. This tool is designed to help you get more done, bringing you joy in your work and enhancing your productivity. Enjoy the pleasure of having a reliable companion for all your endeavors. What we like. This multi-tool pen is designed for the handy person. If you're looking for a versatile gadget that combines everyday writing needs with practical tools like a level and screwdrivers, this is a great choice. It's perfect for DIY enthusiasts, engineers, or anyone who appreciates a well-crafted, functional tool in a compact form. What people say. The design is very unique and eye-catching. The material is soft and comfortable to wear. It's a perfect size for everyday use. Number 4. Body Restore Shower Steamers Aromatherapy 6-pack. Elevate your daily routine with our Aromatherapy shower steamers. Transform your ordinary shower into a spa-like sanctuary. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These make an ideal present for birthdays, Father's Day, or just because. Melt away stress and tension with the power of essential oils. Find your moment of calm and relaxation. Crafted with premium clarity essential oils, they release soothing aromas. Experience a pure and invigorating scent. Indulge in a moment of self-care without the hassle. Simply place one in your shower and let the magic happen. This convenient 6-pack ensures you have plenty of aromatherapy experiences to enjoy. Replenish your senses whenever you need to. What we like. Transform your shower into a spa-like retreat with these aromatherapy steamers. If you're seeking a way to unwind and de-stress after a long day, these are ideal. They are perfect for anyone who enjoys self-care rituals and wants to infuse their daily routine with calming scents and relaxation. What people say. The design is very detailed and accurate to the actual Colts logo. The material is high quality and feels durable. It's a perfect size for displaying on a shelf or desk. Number 3. Littlearth NFL Hoodie Purse. Are you a diehard fan? Now you can carry your essentials in style while representing your favorite NFL team. This unique purse is perfect for game days or everyday wear. This officially licensed accessory ensures you're getting authentic team merchandise. It's a must-have for any true supporter looking for quality and team pride. Featuring a creative hoodie design, this purse stands out from the crowd. It's a fun and fashionable way to showcase your team loyalty. Not only is it stylish, but it's also practical for your daily needs. Keep your belongings secure and organized with this eye-catching accessory. Looking for the ultimate gift for the NFL enthusiast in your life? This officially licensed purse is sure to be a touchdown. What we like. Show your team's spirit with this unique hoodie purse. If you are a dedicated fan looking for a stylish and practical way to carry your essentials while representing your favorite NFL team, this is the perfect accessory. It's a great conversation starter for game days or casual outings. What people say. This is a great gift for any Colts fan. The quality of the material is excellent and the design is very unique. It is a perfect size for everyday use and very durable. Number 2. Rico Industries NFL Embroidered Trifold Wallet. Are you a die-hard fan? Show your unwavering support for your favorite NFL team with this officially licensed wallet. It's the perfect accessory for any game day or everyday outing. Crafted with high-quality materials, this wallet is built to last. The embroidered team logo adds a touch of style, making it a great gift for yourself or any football enthusiast. Keep your essentials organized with its practical trifold design. It features multiple card slots and a clear ID window, ensuring everything is easily accessible. Don't head to the stadium without it. This wallet is the ultimate way to carry your cash and cards while proudly displaying your team pride. This is an officially licensed NFL product, guaranteeing authentic team merchandise. Get yours today and represent your team in style. What we like. Keep your cards and cash organized with this officially licensed NFL wallet. If you're a football fan who values both team loyalty and functionality in your accessories, this wallet is a solid pick. Its durable construction and classic trifold design make it a reliable choice for everyday use. What people say. The design is very unique and eye-catching, perfect for any Colts fan. High-quality material that feels durable and comfortable to wear. The logo is embroidered with great detail, showing off team pride. Number 1. Zubaz NFL Women's Marble Leggings. Unleash your inner fan with these officially licensed NFL leggings. Perfect for game day or any day you want to show your support. Designed for ultimate comfort and a flattering fit, these leggings feature a unique marble print. You'll love how they feel and look. Sport your favorite team's pride with authentic NFL apparel. These are the real deal, approved for all true fans. The stylish marble pattern adds a modern twist to classic fan gear. Pair them with your favorite jersey or a casual top. Crafted specifically for women, these leggings offer a comfortable and secure fit. Get ready to cheer in style and comfort. What we like. Step out in style and comfort with these officially licensed NFL leggings. If you're a female fan who wants to showcase your team pride with a fashionable and comfortable option, these are a must-have. They are perfect for game days, workouts, or just lounging while representing your favorite team. What people say. The design is very unique and eye-catching. The material is soft and comfortable to wear. It's a great conversation starter and a perfect gift for any Colts fan. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.